Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can send private messages in Zoom while you are in your Zoom meeting. So let's get straight into it. First, you need to be in your Zoom meeting, and now I'm alone, but I will just show you how you can do that. So under here below you will see participants, chat, reactions, share screen and so on, but for now we will focus on chat, and here you can type something to everyone. So now everyone can see my message. So how to send private message? Right here you see we who we sending the message. So if we have, for example, 10 people in it, they will be listed right over here, everyone in meeting, and then you will have names of the people they are in this meeting. So if you want to send private message to one of them, just click their name here, and then you can type message something, and that message will be delivered to that specific person you choose here. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.